Hey guys, I'm in the middle of installing a National 209 pickup in a Appalachian Reso. This is number 63 from Tom Warner. And what I've done is I've already taken the top off the dobro, taken it all the way apart. I've got the actual spider already, the holes drilled and already actually the jacks in place. You see here kind of what I've done. I've got the jack about a little over an inch up from the bottom, maybe 1.25 inches. And if you look, I've drilled another hole, and that's the ground wire sticking out. So basically, the tailpiece itself is going to be touching that bare ground whenever you put it back together. So that's the way you ground the system. This is the original spider with the cone still assembled, and of course here's the cap. And here's the receipt where I just got back from Mr. Kent Schoonover, which was $100 for the modular. Paid $10 to have him set it up, and then $209 for the pickup, which shipping and all was $330. And I'm going to be pairing it up with a tone dexter. So just a little better view for you. Here's the actual number 14 spider already modified and got the right height that I requested, 1 1/8 inches, based on the original one from Mr. Tom Warner. And then inside, if I can get a little image of it, you can see I drilled a hole, took away just a little bit of material, and drilled a 3/16 hole here, and then a 15/32 for the jack. If you can see the ground wire, it's got 1/8 inch hole from the back running through. So basically, from the spider right through the hole, then you solder your jack according to the Fishman diagram. 15/32 hole, and what I did is I just kept on incrementing from 1/8 all the way up to 15/32 for the large hole. You can figure out the configuration based on the Fishman installation diagram. And then once again, here's what it looks like from the back. And I'll follow it up with a video after it's together.